and gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Gearheadgirl, and today we're going to be unboxing this Underglow kit. Alright, so in our kit is just one bag, and it looks like we've got a remote, a bunch of cable ties, and the lights themselves. Yep, remote. Lots of little cable ties, we'll leave those in the bag. And that's where you wire into power. And then we've got the two long strips, two short strips. It's got the red adhesive backing that you pull off and expose your adhesive. And then these here for the lights. And you can see on the remote the colors it is. Alright, so here's your up close view. This is where you wire into your power. And each wire comes off. So you've got 4 of these, 2 long ones, 2 short ones. You've got the lights on this side, and you remove the red plastic to reveal the adhesive backing. And then you've got a basic remote there, and a bunch of cable ties come with it. So that's what's in the box. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to comment and share. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.